guys, dito po kami sa hotel namin. Pasok ako sa kwarto namin. So, I am going to vlog hotel room tour. So, ito po yung kwarto namin sa hotel. So, this is the e-card. So, ito po yung insert na doon para makapasok ka po. I-scan nila po sa door. So, ganito po. Just place it front. So, okay na po. Yun na po siya, automatic. So, ganito po modern sila dito sa Golden Phoenix. So, after that, so you will insert this here in the My Fair card. So, this is My Fair card from Golden Phoenix. So, our room is 3038. So, I'm in the right room. This is 30. So, we'll insert this in the My Fair card, insert to gain power. So, para po magka-ilaw, kasi wala pong ilaw, wala pong electricity dito sa loob. Hindi ko po makapag-charge, hindi po mag-gain ng power kung hindi po ito naka-insert. So, we need to insert this here to gain power in the room. So, we'll insert this. Just frontal. So, ilaw na po siya. So, ganyan po ka-automatic dito. Technology based na po dito talaga. Modern. So, automatic po. Umilaw po lahat. And sila po yung bigay ng mga kaibigan ko ng t-shirt ng birthday ko po. So, thank you to them for this. Umilaw po lahat. Pati yung TV, pati yung aircon, TV, mga lights. So dapat po insert mo muna yung card mo para umilaw po. So ganun na po. Insert ko na po siya. Insert ko na po. So yan na po. My Fair card. Insert yung power. So automatic po umilaw po lahat. Yung CR. This is our CR. Ate ko po sa taas na floor. Sa upper floor. Fourth floor po sila. Third floor po ako. Ito po yung bathroom namin. The faucet. The faucet. The mirror. The telephone for some calls. And this is their blower. So, this is the shower. So the shower has a hot and cold water. So this is for hot, right? And for blue, cold water for the shower. So, and ito po siya. Oh! Sama sa akin, di ba ako manliligo? So, ayan po. So, there's their liquid soap and liquid shampoo. So they have 3 towels here. 3 towels for kasi you have 2 bedrooms here. So that's our CR. It's our bathroom. So this is facing the bathroom is the cabinet, dresser. So, ito po yung dresser namin. There's some towel. So, the other side of the dresser, the cabinet is the vault. So, I have here, password is 0113. That's 0113. Dito open eventually. So, open lang siya. Wala po talaga laman, nilagay ko lang yung password. First time ko gumamit ng go. So, yan po. So, i-lock na po natin. Lock. Let's lock. 0, 1, 3. Lock. So, close na po siya. So, ganyan po. So next po, ito po yung bedrooms namin. Tatlong beds. Yun po, 1, 2, and 3. 3 beds. So ito yung bed nila. So good. Matulog ka na maayos. Tulog ka na maayos dito kasi sobrang comfortable ng beds nila. Magpamada mo ng beds nila. So, yan dito. Yan. So, and then, yan guys, yung beds nila. Ito pa. And that's the window. So, ano pong TV, aircon. So, yun lang po yung may free heater po sila. Mga gusto mo ng hot water, and call from the lobby or co-roommates, you can call them. So, and then, so this is the cabin, a small cabinet. So, this is a paper bag for souvenirs. It's free. You can take it home. You can take this home if you want. Basta mong dalhin sa bahay nyo, pwede mo dalhin. And then, this is the refrigerator. So, this is where it goes. They have free waters, 3 free waters. You first stay here. They have free waters. I have my new coffee. It was 3 pieces. 3 pieces. I have only one. That's 3. We have free coffee. He wants some coffee. So this is the water. So, hey, kanina nagpalinis ako kay Kuya sa room. Kasi madumi, kalat. And ito na yung ganda yung free water. Free edition free water. Ang dami na ng tubig. Ang tubig guys, Nadami na siya. Ay ano, 5 yan, 5. Yun po, may isa pa. Well, mali po mga tubig. So, iba po. 1, 2, 4, 5. Ito, isang malaki. 8 siya guys. Walang tubig. So, ito dadaling ko to. Sa may tubig pa. So, there's their pillows. Mirror. Side mirrors. And it's the front mirror, the big mirrors. So, this is yes. Just a faucet. So, that's all for our room. So, guys, this is the most... Ito yung pinaka gusto ko sa room kasi sa Catholic. So, they have meron silang Bible, Holy Bible. So, placed by the Gideons in memory. So, they have their Holy Bible. So, can you read this in your room, guys? If you want. So, this is So, if you want to read some Bible, you can read that. You can read this. It's good. So, by the way, before you enter the hotel, they will give you some breakfast coupon. So, this is the coupon for breakfast. So, as we stay here, we have meron kaming for breakfast buffet. So, breakfast lang, walang lunch or dinner. Breakfast lang talaga. So, meron kayong breakfast buffet. So, they will give you some coupon. So, this coupon for tomorrow or last day. Tomorrow, May 19. So, last day natin tomorrow. So, May 19. So, this coupon, so you can eat. You can present it to the staff there. The food staff there. So, you can eat the breakfast buffet if you present this. So, that would be awesome. So, see you guys. Thank you for watching my hotel room vlog. So, this is our room. So, see it. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button below. Thank you.